Welcome back to my new video. On this video, I'm gonna show you how fix iPhone unavailable in 2025. Forgot your passcode and can't get into your iPhone? The iPhone unavailable screen appears when the lock passcode has been entered incorrectly too many times. If the passcode to unlock your iPhone is entered incorrectly 5 times, the iPhone unavailable screen will appear with a message that says try again in 1 minute. Now this tutorial will show you how to use iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer in 6 parts. iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer is a powerful Apple unlocking tool to unlock various iPhone or iPad locks, including screen lock, screen time password, Apple ID and iTunes backup encryption. It can also bypass MDM from your device without losing any data and securely view all passwords stored on your iOS device. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and get locked out of the iPhone, or your iPhone is disabled due to entering too many wrong passcodes, this software will help you quickly unlock the iPhone. Now, let's get started to unlock iPhone screen passcode. Launch iPhone Passcode Refixer on your computer and choose the option Unlock Lock Screen. Click Start on the next page. On the next page, make sure your iPhone is connected to the computer and click on Next in the lower right corner. The software will automatically recognize your iPhone and load the device information. Now you're asked to download the firmware package needed to unlock the iPhone. Click on Download and the software will automatically start downloading the firmware package. If you already have a firmware package on your computer, click Select to add it. After downloading or adding the firmware package, the software will start verifying the firmware. Once the firmware verification is successful, click Unlock to start unlocking your iPhone. Your iPhone will immediately enter the recovery mode, then restart and update the iOS to the latest version. Wait for the unlocking process to complete. This takes a few minutes. When the unlock screen successfully appears on the software screen, click Done. Your iPhone will restart and be unlocked. Do not disconnect the iPhone from the computer until your iPhone is turned on and the Hello screen appears. Then your iPhone will automatically restart and updated it to newer iOS version. Disconnect the devices and set up your iPhone like a new device. After that, complete the setup, customize text, and insert your passcode. Enter your passcode and make sure you enter a passcode that is easy to remember so that in the future you won't forget your new passcode. And now, you have successfully unlocked your passcode and fix iPhone unavailable. Inputting the wrong passcode multiple times makes your device unavailable. In this video, we have discussed ways to resolve the issue. If you just follow the instructions mentioned here, you will be able to unlock your device and start using it again. We recommend using iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer to unlock your iPhone and bypass iPhone unavailable. You can download iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer on their official website, or you can check the link download on description. Okay? Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.